Nokia stock and AMC stock. Don't know which one to invest in, or maybe you want to invest in both. Well, this video is just for you, my friend. My name is Leah and welcome to my channel. Before we start, subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and comment down below your favorite stock. And as a small disclaimer, I'm not a professional investor and financial advisor, and I have no idea what I'm talking about. Don't listen to me, and this is just my opinion. Well, in this video we're gonna talk about hype stocks, Nokia and AMC. They're definitely hype stocks, they're definitely pushing by Wall Street bets, but they're so different. Let's talk about Nokia. Nokia company, we all know Nokia. Back in the days, Nokia was making amazing phones, and unfortunately right now they don't make any phones. We have like three major phone makers, which is Apple, Samsung, and Huawei, and a bunch of other Chinese phones companies, but Nokia is not one of them anymore. But they do have a huge market in their very specific niche, and this niche is a very important niche. Maybe you already know what I'm talking about, right? It's 5G. As we all know, 5G and even 6G, apparently it's a new version of 5G, even faster and better. 5G will allow us to do a lot of things like automatic driving, like Tesla will drive itself with using 5Gs and stuff like that. So it's a very important, and guess what? Nokia is one of the best companies, one of the biggest companies in 5G market. They have a huge government orders. They're working with government, with China, they're working with the United States, they're working with Europe, they're working in Africa. So they're literally working everywhere in this world, and they have huge contracts everywhere. And it doesn't matter if it's pandemic, it doesn't matter if it's corona here or something else. They still have contracts, they're still building, they're still doing new invention in 5G and 6G communication systems. So they're set. And as we can see right now, their price is at $5, a little bit below $5 because of this Robinhood situation and all the market craziness. But $5 is 52 weeks high. So Nokia been trading in $5 range, which is a pretty good sign as a long-term investing. It's a great company, they really do well. They have a lot of cash on them. I'm pretty sure at this moment they have more than 8 billion in cash on their hands, which is more than enough to go through pandemic, even if something gonna happen. But like I said, pandemic doesn't really bother them because they have huge government contracts, and they have contracts with Verizon and other huge cellular companies. So for them, they keep building, they keep selling their 5G and 6G towers and 5G technology and 5G, like whatever you sell for 5G. On a long-term bet, it's a really good stock, and I bet in 1, 2, or maybe 5 years that this stock will go high. The problem here is because this is a hype stock, most likely people from Wall Street Bets and our community will push the stock higher, and if you buy in the highest point, you most likely gonna lose money for a long period of time. But at the same time, Nokia is a pretty high cap company. I'm pretty sure the capitalization of Nokia is right now around $30 billion, which is very hard to push. But we can see in Tesla, I mean, Tesla got pushed high, almost 1 trillion on market capitalization. This is crazy, so nothing is impossible. But Nokia, in comparison with AMC, GameStop, or BlackBerry, it's very hard to push. But at the same time, the company actually worth doing your research, worth buying shares and keeping for a long time, because it's a really good value company. But be careful, right now volatility is really high, and you can buy the Nokia stock at some point way too high, and then you will end up losing money unless you sell on the highest point. So Nokia is a really good company for future. They do have a lot of technology, they have a lot of patents, they have a lot of licensing revenue, so they're set. It's a good company, good value, and I approve for a long-term investing. But be careful, like I said, the hype is real, and crowds are pushing the stock higher and higher, so be careful. And on another hand, we have AMC, which is not a bad company at all. The problem here is pandemic. Yes, as we all know, AMC is right now in a really bad situation. They do have money, they got bailed out by government, they got bailed out by investors, and also I'm pretty sure 20% of AMC owned by Chinese company. So if AMC for some reason gonna need some money, they'll bail it out again. The problem is we don't know when pandemic will be gone. We don't know when people start going back to the movies. And guess what? I feel like right now with all this pandemic, people just realize that it's much easier and safer to watch the new movies in your home on your 65-inch TVs. And especially right now, Walmart sells them like for $200-300. They need to go and watch a movie in the theater is much less than used to be. And even if pandemic is gone, I feel like people will have that fear inside to go somewhere and watch movies. So I would rather stay home with friends and family and just stay safe. You know, you'd rather be safe than sorry. So to be honest, AMC is not that bad right now. I'm pretty sure they're paying 60% from their ticket sales to the company where they're renting movie from. And at this moment during pandemic, almost everywhere in the United States their theaters are open or about to get open. Yeah, you didn't know that, but it is true. Well, like I said, most likely the demand will be much lower for AMC, and right now the short squeeze of AMC is huge, and the capitalization of AMC is under $10 billion. So in comparison with Nokia, which Nokia's capitalization is like $30 billion, AMC is much easier to push. So the price will be more volatile, but also the return can be much, much higher, because if huge crowds, a lot of people start investing in AMC, it will push the price up and you will make more money eventually. Like I said, the lower capitalization, the easier to push the price up. But on a long term, I don't really believe in AMC. I'm pretty sure companies like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and stuff like that is much better bet at this point, because we're going in the future. Like I said, after pandemic, everything will change. A lot of people will stop going to the theaters, and most likely on a long term, AMC is not really good investment. As a really short position to make really cool quick money, yes, it's awesome stock with the same like GameStop or BlackBerry. So be careful. If we're talking about long term, my choice is definitely Nokia. If we're talking about short period of time to make really quick money, we're definitely betting on AMC. But be careful, guys. Right now the market is volatile, the craziness is going around, the brokerage is halting the trades, they won't allow you to buy stocks, you can't sell your stocks, so it's all crazy. Be safe, guys. Stay safe, save some money, and subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and comment down below your choice and what do you think about these two good companies. Take care.